guys. We are drinking some tea and we're seeing the pool. This is my sister Noha. He's so funny. Then this is our grandma. So my mom and my grandma.
Grandma?
And this is my sister. Is still small. His name is Noha. And I already drink it, and my boat is sinking. Our idea is cleaning this Fajar Hidayah. This is our Fajar. Oh. This is my friend. Wait. This is Fishy, the funny fish. And this is the car. We're in New Town now, I think. That's Ma's friend. Name is Tiles. Cina. Isu. Pak, bahasa Inggrisnya malu tuh siapa? Apa? I think she's shy. I try to bang the cards. No. Why are you angry? What the hell? English why? Oh my. Abang Malik segini. Iya kok. Sebentar lagi Abang Malik setengah mati dimakan ikan. And that. My name is Malik. This is Chudma. This is Kuni. This is Snowy. Our name is like that. And this is Chud Ainenoha. Wait, what? He drinks. He drinks. That's our grandma. Bunda.
Auntie.
This is our auntie. Bunda. Our name is like that, and we're gonna play like this. Like that, but it's not good to play that. Let's explore the town. Oh, this is Philippines, and this is my idea is cleaning this town with this pill. And this is the masjid. And this is Fajar Hidayah. Salah. And my idea is cleaning this with this now. So thank you also watching our video. Dadah. Okay. Abang Malik gak bisa kok. Nanti Abang Malik gini, pecah-pecah kok.
Cuma yang kecil.
Cuma belajar.
Cuma kecil.
Tapi Abang Malik gak bisa. Cuma gini aja lah. Nanti kalau kehack kena Abang Malik nangis, jangan nangis ya kalau Abang Malik enggak hati-hati pack. Dadah. Thank you. Dadah.